Edo. I mean, actually, Benin City. It's night, I know, but quickly want to just show us around how Edo be, and want to know how obedient is Edo. Chairman Hannah, come now, come make we yarn. Come, make me and you yarn now. Why they run? You dey work? Now customer be I come. What's your name?
I'm Gospel.
Gospel.
Yeah, Gospel.
How obedient are you?
Very, very obedient.
You're very, very obedient.
I'm obedient to the call of God, to the will of God.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your name? You say your name is Gospel.
Yeah, my name is Gospel.
Gospel, okay. And you're going to vote to be. Do you have your PVC?
Sure, I have a PVC. Yes.
You have your PVC. And you're in Edo?
Yeah,
And you're very, very obedient.
yeah, very obedient. That's the goal.
That's the goal, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Obedience is the goal.
Obedient is the goal.
Yeah.
I hope you're obediently useful, right?
Yeah, very, very.
Okay. Nice one. Any of you trying to call me, I beg, don't call me. I know the big call. I just want to ask people around how obedient they are, okay? So this is Edo. You know, say Edo only they carry last. Make I go meet some people there. I see people. On our obedient cap.
Student support community, sir.
Student support community.
Yes, I use that, sir.
So, okay. So that means you guys are obedient, right?
More than obedient.
Now, wow.
More than, in fact, we are more obedient than obedient.
How can you be more obedient than Obi?
It's possible, though. I'm coming back.
So, and what's your name? And you're obedient. What makes you? What made you? What convinced you to become obedient?
Coming back, it's so hard. I've been at home for 8 months, no job, hunger, so nothing to do. And then, if we really get to look at it, the youths of this country, we are just being trifled upon. Like, we are just treated like, okay, we don't matter.
Yeah.
And then we are going to an age where things are technologically moving, where young minds are enterprising, are flourishing. But we still see the rusty old men still coming to sell us propaganda, merchandising.
When you talk about the rusty old one, are you including the shaky daddies?
I've not mentioned any names, sir. You said that one.
I didn't mention them, Nko. I only say shaky daddy.
So far there is no hola, balu,
Why are you guys? It appears you're working in the Violence department.
Violence.
Violence.
We are just walking with the road, sir.
So what's your name?
My name is Confidence Obasi.
Confidence Obasi. Obaseki or Obasi?
Obasi.
Okay. You're not from Edo, right?
I'm more of Edo than Edo because
So hold on, no.
That will be a do more than the Edos. They will carry you go to Palace.
I did my university here and I'm currently doing my master's here.
What's your discipline? Business education, accounting. Wow, excellent. But he said he's more obedient than Obi. You said you're more Edo than Edo. Is that what they teach you now for school?
By naturalization.
Oh, you are naturalized here. But your parents, where are they from? From where now? Enugu State. Okay. Nice. So, what made you become obedient?
Actually, I used to be this kind of person that supports any country to that because there's nothing.
So you're among those divide the country, no.
You know, it got to a point that So you see that at that moment we were tired. And then there's this hope that will be brought. And you felt like, oh, this country could have a chance. So let's just see what it is. Let's be obedient. And my friends will call me, when they call me on phone, they say, obedistic obedience. Because we are going to be busy. Because there's no other way. Because if Obi was not here, we'll be left with the lesser evil and the greater evil. And evil is evil. So we'll not be battling with the umbrella and the broom. And these two
the Mechanos and the Agbados.
The bourgeois. Because they would have bourgeois Nigeria and then we'll be in a state of anarchy where you see youths killing youths just to survive. Because what is happening? Youths are not happy. There's no employment.
Foster.
I have my SCE, I have my BSc, I'm doing my master's. Not that I failed. They're great, I mean what I mean? Great grades. I got them great grades. Those who know me from the education, those who know me from the university, they know that. But there's no job. When you go to a teaching job, they'll ask you, can you earn 15 a time? You cannot take it easy. And the first time that I divided the amount I eat in a day, let's say by 300. I'm eating 100 in a day. If I'm eating 5,000, how do I pay my house? How do I take care of my mom? How do I take care of my other siblings? So you see, the country is rattled. When your minimum wage can no longer wage your needs. So it has gotten to that extent whereby the poor and the rich are hungry for change. And with the youth, we are saying since the NSAS protest did not amount to nothing, let our vote count. It's now or never.
So do you believe your vote will count, right?
My vote will count because I will be there, I will defend it, even if it means to spend my blood to defend it.
Now, wow. So this is ObiDient.
Yes.
I am ObiDient. I see your cap. Why everybody where they see for this street of Edo, they wear ObiDient cap?
My name is Ezeoke Williams. You also call me Williams Talk on Twitter. We are among the ones that are championing all the space that we talked about.
All those the Twitter space.
The Twitter space, Town Square, Bishop space, Violence space, name it. Even we say we used to invade the Agbados. Then we give them Woto. So that notwithstanding, you see, this movement, to be frank, as I said,
You don't buy?
when the issue started of primaries, I was anticipating Obi from PDP and Sibajo from APC.
That would have been a nice combination, a nice combo.
But because of what has been the narrative, money politics, money bags and all this stuff, the whole issue, the whole narrative changed. And being that God so faithful took our principal Obi to the Labour Party, and I said, wow, this is it. And I was so happy that I made the move. And then, me that I'm talking to you, I'm the youth leader of O6 from Obianotis. I'm saying this categorically there that Obianotis is fully obedient, just like Edo State is fully obedient. From all the pulling units, world, we have 46 pulling units. So we are assuring them that we are going to deliver all the no matter what. Forget about what they are saying. They are by the states, the powers of the states, saying that they are going to deliver the state for PDP. No. We were the one that did it for them when they came begging, looking for where to run to. We were the one that won the election for them. We were the one that brought the top back, everything that I can see by this present government. So we are the ones that are also endorsed that yes, we are clearing the way for it to us.
So, but if you say now bring Obaseki ba.
Yes.
So that means now the same youth will vote Soludo, they vote with Obi.
Yes.
So what do you can't think about what Soludo talk?
Yes, thank you. You see, these bourgeois, they've forgotten that they only have one vote. And there's no how you're going to do it. It's the people that are going to vote for you. And now, who are the people?
Yeah, but they used to bribe the people now.
Yes, but you must understand that the people are now fully obedient. Because why? If to the US man and to the technocrats, to the petty bourgeois, they are all fully obedient. Why? Because he's telling on them. The situation is not say today, one of his videos surfaced about his house in Abuja. You can imagine what are you doing in that house? Do you know how much resources went into that house? If you have
but is it confirmed that is his house?
You know, though it's not confirmed, but at least if it is, then that is just like bringing shame upon whatsoever you have been seeing.
Now we as we dey life now, some people they comment say make we divide Nigeria. So what you go talk?
No, I'm a political scientist. If you want to divide the country, it takes a lot. The people must all be in agreement. That will make it easy. But if you want to divide the country the way we are expecting it is someone that is going to give you all the resources that are going to use to divide the country. But mind you don't know that you are also under the control of another man. What if you divide the country? That man will also bring his own ideas that you will not be you have this a slave. Sorry to say that you have been a slave under another bourgeoisie. So we are trying to free ourselves. The only issue and the only peaceful and recognized way is through the ballot. And yet the opportunity is here again, 2023. So that grievance that I also take the country fine, because most of us have been marginalized. Some regions are marginalized because of how the constitution is. But election is coming. Vote for the right person, who is Peter Obi. And then you see that there will be an issue of no marginalization, and the country will come to a situation whereby you get anything based on merit. It will not be those quota system or federal character whatsoever.
Okay. What's your name again?
My name is Ezeoke Williams.
Okay, Ezeoke Williams. Thank you very much. So who you be?
My name is Joshua.
Joshua. Are you obedient?
Very, very obedient.
So what makes you, how did you become obedient?
As a young entrepreneur.
What do you do?
I'm a fashion designer.
Okay, you're a tailor. So you think Obi, well, if Obi wins, you go tailor well?
Not be say I think, I know.
How you take no? What if some people argue, say, you go become like the other ones?
No, I think we are not saying 100%. 60% is a pass mark. So if you go and change the way things are being done and the way the old politicians and these cargo people are doing take over there, we are tired of the old system. We want to change the government. We are tired of these cases. We share the money kind of system. We want to work.
So as Obi just don't come out. Last week he come Edo. I hear say everywhere lock. They say others they do rally, una do crusade. Why now?
Carnival we do, we
Una do carnival.
24 hours carnival.
So that is to.
Landed 24 hours.
They say Delta no they carry last, but it can't become a donor they carry last now. Una too well, oh. Una too well. Thank you. So everybody una they see so now Edo with this so with the Edo rise. Make I do still waka. I go to show now. I go to show now. How Edo be? This is Edo by night. Make I go ask. Make I go shop. Go ask people question. Sister Anna, are you obedient? Come now, come. Come. Why they run? Why are you running? So what's in they tell you now? Edo obedient no be here. Edo obedient. Make I go shop. Chairman, how you be? You go vote. How old are you? 21. You get PVC. You no get PVC. Why now? Anybody get PVC here? Right there. Right there. She dey inside. May I see her? As you no get PVC now, I want to talk to those who will get PVC. Make I see. Mama, good evening. How you be? I say, Adewaka, I say, make I know who be obedient, who no be obedient. You be obedient? You dey inside? Oh yeah, Mama, come talk to me now, 1 minute. You get your voter's card. Now, what's in your pikin tell me? No time for dolly. But you no go vote now.
Why not go vote?
Your son say he no get PVC.
You get to.
You get.
Of course.
So what make you become obedient, Mama? You dey fear camera.
I don't fear camera.
Tell me now, what make you become obedient?
We want a young guy.
Young guy.
Not be old man. We don't need old person for this time again. We need a proper person.
So.
That can walk, that can run.
But
that can turn out the truth.
But they say Atiku and Tinubu young. Tinubu na 70.
Say, when they shake like ordinary flag, you don't feel old flag. You they shake.
But Tinubu na 70.
Which kind of 77? How many years the daughter be?
No, na 70 be, no be 77.
The daughter na 55 be.
I know.
The daughter is
say Nigeria go still believe on that one. Go say you want go vote for that guy. When they talk like
Mama, but nobody know in real age now. So make
you know, okay, now you know, you go tell me now you don't know the really age of that one.
how I take no na me born am.
Oh, if you don't know you go, you don't say make you go relax. That time don't pass. You need to know. No matter which party you are, we didn't know you. Don't leave those people. They never say you go the test and they go treatment. Not be the treatment, the our money, not be our affected treatment. So you want to start out.
Now wow. Now what you talk now, it makes sense so. What you talk.
When they go like that.
But how you see economy now? So since Buhari enter, Buhari say they bring change. You change come.
You don't get any change when you bring. How much for bag of rice?
How much? When they say rice?
Before 8,000.
Bag of rice.
If you want buy bag of rice now, go 50 for today. Not the foreign rice, so we are talking local rice.
Local rice.
When we say we dey fit produce, local rice. But if you want buy bag now, 48, 45, how you want it from Nigeria? When you say you get change, when you change it.
Now wow.
When we take do we say we want change. We don't answer we change, we want change.
Oh my, but when he tell us, but maybe we don't understand. He talk say Nigeria from top to bottom. You know hear that one? He tell us say he go change and from top to bottom. So, but some people still they follow him. So.
Yeah, because they still eat from the hand. That is why they still follow.
Now, wahala dey o.
Surplus.
Okay. Where they come from? Good evening, sir. How you doing?
They don't need the top like this.
Anyway, we just dey walk around. Okay, are you? Okay, you're a military man. Okay, don't worry. So, but you're obedient.
I'm obedient.
You are obedient military. Obedient military. I salute. Yeah. You believe so? The only person who will help
I
us.
say that is the only hope we have in the nation.
But they say Tinubu can do better. They say Naim build Lagos.
Who is Tinubu?
The one who discover
What does he
Lagos.
know about Lagos? Which money? His money?
Oh dear, people now they hear this one now what they call random sampling. Make I ask Aboki. Make it Danny. Hey, make it as well now. Make it so. Wait, make I cross. Make car no knock me. Oh dear. Good evening, madam. How you be? Are you obedient? If you talk to me. What? I say you don't fit talk to me. Oh dear. They say when 2, 3 are gathered, one of you must be obedient. Is that true? When 2, 3 are gathered, I'm just walking around.
No, don't video
You know be obedient?
I'm obedient, but don't video me.
Okay. You off camera, you obedient off camera. That's not the real one now.
No, we are working behind the scene.
Okay.
But working behind the scenes.
That what did they happen? This one a proper one. So people, when they see and so, na so the thing be. I just say make I reach, make I just walk around. No, don't see him. Make I ask my nod. Make it an zo. Come. No be here they call. How much now I need for pineapple?
500.
Yeah?
500.
This waiting, hold on. This one 500.
Yes.
500. Kai. But it they come out water. Look at. It dey come out to water now. Why you go off heater? It dey quarter. Okay, I go buy one. Good price. I go buy. Eh? I won't buy one. You go quarter. Make you give me a good price. But before you go quarter, I will ask you a question. You get PVC? You don't get PVC. You get koi PVC? You get PVC for boat. You dey look me, are you not in Nigeria? Where you come from? Niger? Where? Huh? Chad?
Kebbi State.
Kebbi State.
Yes.
But why you not get PVC? You know that? Kai, that is not you. No get PVC. Where they come from?
Huh?
Where they come from? They come from Kebbi State. You don't get PVC. That's not good. But if you get PVC, who you go vote? Atiku ni?
No.
Why?
I don't like it.
Why no like me, Atiku? Now your brother.
Where's my brother?
What in?
You, I don't like her.
Okay, you go vote to Bola Tinubu ni?
I don't like her.
Why? Huh? You go vote to Bola Tinubu? Huh? You like him?
I don't like her.
They say now he didn't discover Lagos like Mongo Park. He discovered River Niger.
No.
So you go?
I don't like her.
You know like everything? Okay, who you go vote? Peter Obi? He dey sell market. You go vote? Who you go vote? Who you go vote? Tell me. Who you go vote? Now Peter Obi. You no go vote Peter Obi? Okay. You only like your market?
Yes.
Kai. Why they do like this? You no get PVC. You no get PVC. You dey sell market. You no know. Did you go school? You never go to school because the government is not good. If the government is good, no, listen. If the government is good, you suppose go school. You won't go house. You get a Maria for house? This boy. In Allah, you no go sleep. You won't go meet somebody. And they look me for your eye. They won't go to meet Nyarinyani. Ako Nyarinyani.
I get now. I won't go meet her now.
You are getting Nyarinya.
Yes, now.
But you are a small boy now, 15 years here. How old are you? Huh?
35.
Now 100. You be 100. So make you they talk me this one. Okay, make it quote me. All of them. Wait.
Oh, God, this one for.
Okay, quote me this one 300. 300. 300. Okay, quarter. Sharp. So, but I tell you, it's not good because it's a bad government. If you get good government, you go primary school, secondary school, maybe you go university. Huh? It's not about. Huh? No, you good. You know, Bible school for your village. It's not good. It's not good. What need they look me? 500 naira too. Kai. Wait to make it a look. If I get. Hold on. Don't drop him. Wait, I don't trust you now. Wait. I don't trust you. Okay. You wanted 500. Yes, sir. I don't think I have. I don't have 2,500. I only have 1,000. Sorry, but go to the other side. I don't have. go 500. No, okay, I get it 400. No, Tatamo was universal. Yeah, all this big one is purple. Oh, because you and my friend go give me 500 naira. But if you carry and go down south, tomorrow I will spoil. Of course. Tomorrow I will feel and come. Anyway, the cotton. So when you go Kevin? Yeah? You got it? No, good job. We know they give, no, bring it that one. Wait, give it. You know it's good, butter. You know they give sissy, you know they throw away sissy. No, that one, you don't. You know my friend. Eh? You know my friend. Jega, where did you hide it? This side. Where did you put them?
Space the inside.
So you will not get married. I will give you money, make you go. Okay, make her come. What is the come now? Huh? I'm not good. Huh? Okay. So, say go be. Ah, dear. So guys, it's been a very hectic day. So here we are now. We are now here. So you guys can see the obedience obediently useful. Now so the rule for this place, so we don't go by